Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make fracture transaction in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, we have to open your PowerPoint presentation. Then go to the transaction menu. Then click fracture transaction. Now I am apply to all slide, then go to the click apply to all, then click start from beginning. Now we can see make fracture transaction in PowerPoint very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.